Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video we are going to learn about Python. So in this Python tutorial I am going to tell you that how you can compare between two or three numbers or even more numbers using the if then else statement. So in Python we can also use the if then else statement like any other programming language. So for this I have opened the IDE shell 3.10.2. You can also have the higher versions of the IDE shell. So here we will press Ctrl plus N and let's type. So we will take the user input. So first I will name a variable. So let's name it num equals integer data type, that is int, input bracket double quotes, enter the first number colon double quotes close double bracket close. Say num1 equals int input, this is the second variable, double quotes, enter the second number colon quotation close double bracket close. Num2 equals int bracket input bracket double quotes, enter the third number colon quotation close double bracket close. Okay, so now from here we will take the user input. We have already taken the user input. Now from here we will execute the if statement. So if num, that is number, first number, num is greater than num1 and num greater than num2 colon print bracket double quotes the first number is greater quotation close bracket close, enter. Elif num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num, or it can be either way, colon print bracket double quotes the second number is greater colon quotation close bracket close, enter. Else print the third number is greater bracket close. Okay, so we have to adjust the indentation. This will go back, this will also go 2 steps back, and let's press F5, enter. I will choose desktop and I will name this file comparison, enter. Now it's telling me to enter the first number, so let's say 20, second number 25, let's say 24. The second number is greater. Again let's test it. F5, say 25, 24, 23. First number is greater. Again, oops, sorry. Okay, so 20, 22, 21. Second number is greater. Okay, fine, it's working. So this is how you can compare between numbers, multiple numbers, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, even more than that. So this was a short tutorial video. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you all again next time. Till then, goodbye and take care.